Racing just started. We have a clear start by the Rail Polar Express. Pali, then followed by Kaakit. Please do comes next King Manjo. Hoy, tama na, body shot. Sangano, second last, while Complexion is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have La Sombra, Link and Ihapa. Pali is right there in second. Please do King Manjo. At the outside comes Polar Express. Body shot comes next. Alongside comes Kaakit. Hoy, tama na. Zangano, while Complexion is still at the tail. Down the back stretch they travel. We have La Sombra by about 3/4 length lead. And in second comes Pali. Please do King Manjo is already inside. Kaakit like twice now coming closer. Polar Express body shot. Hoy, tama na. Zangano and Complexion. Last 400 meters of the race. We have La Sombra maintaining a 3/4 length lead, and in second Pali. Then here comes King Manjo as they swing for La Sombra. King Manjo finds some opening that on the inside and on the outside Pali. Hoy, tama na, like twice now moving up. Kaakit is on the outside, but it's still King Manjo. Hoy, tama na, and finally it's King Manjo. Hoy, tama na, close La Sombra, or rather Kaakit and Sangano then